Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a tricky problem that many regex enthusiasts encounter. The problem at hand revolves around a regex pattern involving an atomic group that seems to behave unexpectedly. When attempting to match a specific string within an input, the regex pattern fails to stop at the intended point, creating a puzzling scenario for the user. Let's unravel this intriguing problem step by step. In the realm of regex patterns, the concept of atomic groups brings a unique twist to the matching process. The solution lies in understanding that within an atomic group, backtracking operates independently, disconnected from other parts of the expression. This key feature causes the pattern to persist in its matching quest, even when encountering familiar territory, like the BBB sequence. Despite expectations, the atomic group's behavior remains steadfast, advancing through the input until finding the desired match. Now, let's delve deeper into the intricacies of atomic groups and their impact on a regex matching process. By realizing that the expression within an atomic group functions as a separate entity with its self-contained state, we grasp why backtracking within the group itself is permissible. For instance, a pattern like BBB will consistently match BBB when encountered, showcasing the unique behavior of atomic groups in regex. In summary, the exploration of atomic groups within regex patterns offers a nuanced understanding of their functionality and influence on matching outcomes. By comprehending the distinct behavior of atomic groups and their independence in backtracking, users can navigate complex regex scenarios with confidence. We hope this breakdown has shed light on the enigmatic behavior observed in the initial problem. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Regex adventures await, so stay curious and keep exploring.